good black mulch. Trim them bushes down a little bit because it was growing wild in the mud, man, for real. Got it looking right up in there. Got it looking nice over there. Make the curb appear look like something. Now we need some more flowers and some bushes in there. It'll be right.
What's so you a fool for this one, you heard me?
Yeah, man, my boy got the yard looking good for the kid. Got the mulch out there for me. The black mulch. Even put some around the little trees right there. Make them look good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got that mailbox money.
Say, man, hey, man, we ride. We finna go shoot to this bank. I'm finna let y'all ride to the bank with me. We gonna go cash this check. Music money, man, mailbox money. So we finna go do this. Don't pay attention to my face. It's scruffy, you know. The boy need to hit the shop and get a fade. Got my wave cap on, you know what I'm saying, looking a little rough. But it be like that sometimes. But yeah, we on our way to this bank. We finna get these little funds, you know what I'm talking about, from this little check. And I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about how to get you one. If you make music, man, you can get you some money. If you don't know how to make no money from your music, pay attention. I might give you a little bit of free game, but I can't give you too much, because you know what they say. The game is to be sold, not told. So, man, you got to put the work in. If you ain't trying to put the work in, you ain't really trying to get nowhere. You ain't trying to make no money. But, yeah, we going to go in this bank. So, I'll see y'all when we get there.
Look at that, man. It's 40 degrees outside. It's cold. The kid got cold. I had to go in the store and grab me a thermal, man. You know I came out the house with just a t-shirt on. So I had to get warm right quick. But we still about to pull up. So we here. So we here at the bank. I don't know if I can take y'all in there with me, but if I can, well, I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna see if I can sneak y'all in there. But finna get up in there. We're gonna cash this check right quick. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah. Mailbox money. Mailbox money. Mailbox money. Top of the year, this is the first check, royalty check of the quarter. So I'm heading out to the Batmobile. So we cashed that check, got our little change, got our money. I can't show y'all what's in there. A wise man always told me, never let people know how much you make. Never. But we got it. Okay, so I got 3 1099s. If you're doing your music correctly, you're gonna get them. I got a 1099 from CDbaby. I got a 1099 from Sound Exchange. And I got another 1099 from American Society of Composers, Authors, and Publishers, which is ASCAP. Alright, check this out. I told you I was going to give you some free game. I'm finna drop some jewels on you real fast. If you want to learn about this music, pay attention. So, the first thing I want you to do, if you're trying to get into this music thing, and you're trying to learn how to make you some money, get with a pro, man. What is a pro? It's a performing rights organization. You got ASCAP, CSEC, BMI. There's a whole bunch of other ones out there. Find you one, get signed up with them, and then learn about your royalties. There's many types of royalties. You know what I'm saying? You got copyright royalties, you got mechanical royalties, and a whole bunch of other royalties. Learn about them. Learn about publishing. Learn about who's publishing your music, how they doing it. Once you start learning this stuff, you'll start learning how to make money from it. You'll learn where your money's coming from. and you in the dough, just like that. But look, man, I done cashed my check today. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go spend this money. So I catch y'all on the next video. So stay tuned, man. You'll learn some more. Holla at you, baby. You know, I'm at the thing.